Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a quiz in Google Form. So to make a Google Form, you need to open the Google Drive first and then click on New. And here you'll find Google Forms. And you can choose whether you want to create a blank quiz if you want to make a quiz from scratch, or you can also choose from a template. So in this video, I'm going to show you to do to the if you choose blank quiz and also choose from a template. So I'm going to just click on the blank quiz first. Okay, so the form will be open and you can change the title of the form first. For example, math quiz, and type in your question. For example, like this, and you can choose whether you want the question to be multiple choice, short answer, or paragraph. So I'm going to just choose a multiple choice like this. And then if you want to add another question, just click on add question and type in your question again in here and do just the same as the previous question. And if you guys want to just use the templates from Google Form, so just click on from a template. Okay, so here is the template from Google Form that you can choose. For example, you can just click on education here. So there are exit ticket assessment worksheet and course evaluation. So I'm going to just click on this. So you can also do the same. You can change the title and you can add some explanation in here and name, email, quiz question. So this is the first question that you need to type in, the second question, and etc. Okay, so that's it. That is how you can create a quiz in Google Form. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment. And if you think this video is useful, don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next videos.